My name is Cole Lemofsky. I'm a quality technician at Herman Ultrasonics in Bartlett, Illinois. I graduated from Prairie Ridge High School in 2017, Hannah Beardsley Middle School in 2013. 2013, I knew I wanted hands-on learning, and I knew that engineering would provide that, so I was interested in engineering classes, and so I signed up for them. My experience at Prairie Ridge High School with these CAD classes helped me understand the fundamentals of engineering, as well as pinpoint exactly what type of engineering I wanted to go into. I think 8th graders should sign up for this tech design class because they get real life examples, hands-on experience, and it's a great stepping stone for their future career. Here at Herman Ultrasonics, we manufacture ultrasonic welding machines like this one that will bond together different types of plastics, metals, packaging material, and non-wovens material. As a quality technician, part of my responsibility is to make sure that our ultrasonic tooling is within our standards. We want to make sure that it actually welds something, right? So we have a laser vibrometer here, which will measure frequencies and amplitudes of our ultrasonic tooling. Here is an example. So that was a standard checkout of an ultrasonic tool. The laser vibrometer will measure the amplitude and frequency, as shown on the screen. Another responsibility is CAD design. In this particular application, we have a car bumper that I needed to design ultrasonic tooling for. So our customer came to us with a car bumper and car brackets for the inside of the bumper, and I need to design each ultrasonic tool specifically for each piece. Here at Herman Ultrasonics, we also manufacture ultrasonic tooling in-house. So this is a 5-axis milling machine that we use to manufacture all of our ultrasonic tools. Another responsibility at Herman Ultrasonics is to manufacture round-style ultrasonic tools. And we do so by using this Mazak lathe to provide our customers quality tools. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video was informational, and I hope you all take tech design classes.
Hello, I'm Jude Mariuto. I graduated from PR in 2014. I'm currently a master's student studying architecture and interior architecture at University of Oregon. I really enjoyed the CAD and PLTW classes because I got to work on projects that were creative, challenging, and taught me skills that I still use today.
Hi, my name is Mason Switzer, and today I would like to share with you a little bit about myself, what I do now, and then my involvement with the Prairie Ridge CAD classes. So, as I mentioned, my name is Mason Switzer. I grew up in Crystal Lake, and I went to Prairie Ridge High School from 2010 to 2014. So now I work as a mechanical systems design engineer at Boeing down in St. Louis. And I love my job. I never really thought I'd be working for Boeing. I'm happy I am, and I think it's a fantastic start to my engineering career. I will add that I always wanted to be an engineer, even when I was in high school. I think even before I got to high school. So probably where you are now, I knew right away I really want to be an engineer. I don't know what, but I know I have to do engineering at some capacity. Naturally, there are some certain specific skills that engineers need, and I would say that the top ones are you need to have pretty decent arithmetic skills, mathematical and physics basic understanding, and then you also need to have some strong visual comprehension and design skills, mechanical design if you're going into mechanical engineering. And I think that's the point I'd like to focus on more, which is the CAD packages. And thankfully, Prairie Ridge offers a fantastic CAD program that I was involved with. The other point I mentioned, the math and the arithmetic systems, that's important for engineering, and I think that that's covered with PR's general math and physics programs, but also by the Project Lead the Way programs, which cover engineering principles. And I want to point out that I did not take those classes, but it was because I didn't think I was smart enough. And looking back on that, I feel really silly for saying that, because I know that I could have done those programs, and I know for a fact that you can too. It's really just a matter of applying yourself and investing in your career. But what I would like to share with you guys is that Essentially, if you are interested in engineering at all, I would say start, take one of the CAD classes, take the intro to CAD, and just see how you like it. And mechanical design in general involves a lot of CAD. And so if you find yourself really enjoying it, then I would say stick with it and really look forward to an engineering career, especially one that involves mechanical design, because I would say it's one of the most rewarding career paths or college majors that you could do. It's a challenge, but it's a lot of fun, and it's really great that you can get going with that even in high school by taking the CAD classes and by taking the project lead the way. But I want to just wrap it up and say that from my perspective, if you're interested in engineering, get involved and don't be afraid to fail, and don't be afraid that you're not smart enough, because I promise you are. I promise you are. I didn't think I was, and I know that I am now. I wish I would have done it earlier because it would have been fun. And I will say to never give up and just keep your head high and enjoy the ride, and take as many CAD classes as you can, especially because they're a lot of fun and they give you real world design skills through the CAD packages that you can take and put on your resume, and it'll help you get into the college that you want to get into, or just start doing things on your own. A lot of the CAD programs are available for free. For instance, Fusion 360, you could look up that one. That's available for free, and you can start designing things on your own personal laptop as soon as you get the inkling to. And it's a great way to really take a personal approach to your engineering career. And like I said, if you're interested in engineering at all, start taking those classes, and if you fall in love with it and you get hooked, then never give up and just follow your dream, follow your passions, and don't be afraid to fail. I have failed a couple classes before, and that's okay. You get back up and you keep working through it. And yeah, at the end of the day, you're gonna find yourself in a position, a job, or maybe it's a personal entrepreneurship role. You're gonna find yourself having the skill set that you always wanted, and you're gonna love it, and it's gonna be fantastic. So I hope that you choose to take a CAD class with Mr. Lowe or any of the other amazing professors at Prairie Ridge. And if you like engineering, get invested in it and learn as much as you can, and never stop. Just never stop growing and enjoying it. So thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Romanek, and I graduated from Prairie Ridge High School in 2017. I'm currently a senior at the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee studying architecture and urban planning. Although I did not pursue an engineering degree like I had originally planned, the PLTW and CAD courses offered at PR helped me in the digital world of architecture. Not all softwares are specifically taught at UWM, so having prior knowledge in CAD aided me in an internship opportunity that I would have otherwise not been able to participate in. So these classes are incredibly beneficial and can be seen throughout various majors.